Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to move the rear quarter panel in the interior or seat pillar, whatever you want to call it, on your second gen Vios 2007 to 2012 Toyota Yaris sedan. So basically what you want to do is pull this latch up and pull the seat forward. And then next thing you want to do is remove the weather stripping and then just pull back on the front and rear of the quarter panel. And then next thing you want to do, pull this forward, well, towards you, as so. That way it detaches from this piece right here, this panel, and it'll come right up. Now, mine originally came with a metal clip that go right here. So basically, if you got that metal, I don't know how to describe it, it's like a metal bolt. So for that one, you would have to just basically just slide it, and it'll come right off. And when I had to replace the rear speakers, I didn't want to keep dealing with that, so I just replaced it with one of these. And then just put it back, just do the same thing. Slide it in, there's a line right there, cut right there. So you basically put it back in the cut. And then next thing, and mine got the rear curtain airbags. And then same thing, make sure that these little grommets go in the respective holes. This one goes into that one. This one goes right there. Put it in. And you also want to make sure the bottom portion is behind this. So pop it back in. As so. Then push these back in. And put your weather stripping back in. As so. And that's basically how you replace, well, I'll fix it, I need two hands. That's how you replace and remove this rear panel. This grommet fell out. I gotta find it. It fell somewhere underneath the car, but that's how you do it. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.